Welcome into Selenium tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to perform drag and drop by using Selenium WebDriver. So let's begin. As we can move this element from one location to another, we will perform this action by using Selenium. So let's start. First of all, we will go to this URL driver.get string. Here we enter the URL of the website in which we want to go. Now we need the locators of this element. So right click on this element and click on inspect. Here we can locate this element by ID, and ID is column-A. Copy this ID. Web element from is equal to driver dot find element by dot ID. Here we enter the ID. Now we want to drag and drop from one location to another. Right click on second element and copy the ID, which is column-B. Web element 2 is equal to driver dot find element by dot ID and paste the ID here. For drag and drop, we need action class. We need to add the action class. Dot interactions dot actions. Action actions driver. Now we will use this variable as dot and drag and drop. Here we can view one is our source and other is target. In source we enter the first variable, which is from, and second is to, and we want to perform this action, so we will use perform. Let's run this script and see what happened. In this scenario, first of all, it will navigate to this URL and perform the drag and drop. Chrome driver is opening. One element will be moved to the second. Here we need to add dot build dot perform. Chrome driver is opening. Here we can view one element has been moved to the second element and drag and drop has been successfully performed. We can also get the text of this second element, which is a string text is equal to, and we want to get the text of 2 dot get text, and now we will print this text. Let's run this script. In this scenario, it will print in console a text. Let's run this script and again. We can also add weight for better understanding. Here, A printed in console. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and comment.